Thinking about flipping houses in Edmonton? Is it still profitable in today's market? I'm Ann Mowbrey, Realtor in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. In this video, I'll break down the pros, cons, and key things you need to know before getting started. Let's dive in. Flipping houses is when you buy a property, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. Sounds simple, right? But there's a lot more to it. Your success depends on market conditions, renovation costs, and how well you manage your investment. Before flipping a house, you need to understand the market. In Edmonton, the housing market can be seasonal, and property values vary by neighborhood. Compared to other Canadian cities, Edmonton has relatively affordable real estate, which can be great for investors. If home prices are rising, flipping can be profitable. If the market is slow, it may take longer to sell and cut into your profits. Some areas appreciate faster than others. Look for up-and-coming neighborhoods with strong demand. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is underestimating costs. Here's what you need to budget for. Purchase price. Find a property below market value to maximize profit. Renovation costs. Renovations can range from $30,000 to $100,000 plus, depending on the scope of work. Carrying costs, mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and utilities while the home is being renovated. Selling costs, realtor fees, legal fees, and possible price reductions if the market shifts. Always run the numbers before you buy. If you're not making at least a 10-15% return, it might not be worth the risk. Here are some tips for successful flip. Find the right property. Look for homes that need cosmetic updates rather than full structural repairs. Set a realistic budget. Unexpected expenses always come up. Have a cushion. Work with professionals. Hire reliable contractors, home inspectors, and a good realtor. Know your exit strategy. Plan for both best and worst case scenarios. Can you rent it out if it doesn't sell quickly? So is flipping houses in Edmonton worth it? It can be, if you do your research, manage costs, and make smart decisions. If you're thinking about flipping, let's chat. I can help you find the right property and guide you through the process. Drop your questions in the comments or DM me if you're interested in flipping a house in Edmonton.